Hi, welcome back to Just Family Adventures. I'm Lauren.
I'm Gwen.
And today we have
pin mail. You have massive pin
Yes,
mail.
I have. So go get a snack, a drink, and then
it's
come back.
It's gonna be a while.
Yeah. But just a shout out to Jamie.
From Jamie's Disney Kingdom.
Thanks for all the love and support. So let's get started. I have a lot. So this one is from...
from this week.
Yeah, so should I do last week?
Yeah, because I have last week.
Alright. Well, I want to start with
we should do a shout out to Marcy, too.
Yeah.
Marcy Mouse. We love her. We watch her every Friday night. That's our,
yeah,
that's our thing. Friday. We don't go out. Friday night used to be my date night. Not anymore.
Okay. So, from 2 Fridays ago, well, I guess depending on when this video comes out. So, on Friday night, I ordered from Marcy Mouse. So, she includes the Disneyland map to protect the pin. She wraps everything up. And then she had a special where if you commented, I forget what it was, on Instagram, if you were the first 75, you got free pins, or free gift in your thing. And this was my free gift. It was a AP button and a Christopher Robin, the live action button, which Richie loves Winnie the Pooh, so he was happy. He'll be happy for that. And then I got quite a few. So I ordered this prior. I think she had boards.
Yeah, she had boards.
So I got this. I don't remember how much it was, but it's the Ariel pin. The girl who has everything, just because I am that girl that has everything. More so collects everything. So I got that. So that's
I think you need help.
This is Pins Anonymous. We buy the pins so you don't have to. And then the next one I got was a fantasy pin, which I don't mind fantasy pins just because I think they're cool.
I think they look good when you're doing a nice pin board.
Yeah, some fantasy pins, I should say. So I picked this one up for my Peter Pan board. It's Peter Pan with the Chief and then Tiger Lily. It's a little muted, but I do like this pin. Like, she just kind of blends together. There's no, where a Disney pin, there would be some contrast in colors and lines. But nonetheless, I like it. Then the next one I picked up, I think this was one of my favorites. I got the Loungefly. I don't know, is it Loungefly? It's a limited release. I didn't even know this came out, tell you the truth. But it's the new Arendelle pin. Oh, even the back is pretty. Wow. So the back
Everybody was
card,
snagging them up.
Yeah, I got lucky. So this is the back card. It's like a little locker. And then it was $15.99. It is a limited release. Now, look at the back of the pin. It's
and you got that for, she was 5?
No, I think it was 8. Maybe. I don't remember. I just buy the I just buy the pin. So it's the backpack, the Minnie Mouse backpack in the Arendelle. I forget the name of the collection.
It's Arendelle.
Yeah, but isn't there another word in it? It's not just Arendelle. Okay. And then she threw in some candy and here's her You've Got Pin Mail card. Go check her out on Instagram. Okay, so then her son was selling some pins. And I snagged this up. He had them for $25, so I got the Windows of Magic.
Wasn't her son?
Oh, I thought Aaron's her son.
Well, there's Aaron who helps her out, E-R-I-N,
okay.
And then Aaron A is her son.
Okay. Anyways, and
she has her own. She does Tuesday nights. Indie.
No, it's a guy. I thought it was a guy. Oh, I don't know. Anyways, this is limited edition of
It was
2000.
somebody else's.
I love this pin. It's a lot bigger than I expected. This is my first Windows of Magic pin, and it probably won't be my last.
So,
I'll put it on the pin board. I like them. And it
Yeah.
retails for $17.99. And
now, are they all the princess coming?
yeah, so they have
I don't think I've
Princess.
ever seen.
So this was an old collection. Like this was December's pin. So they are a little pricey. That's why I grabbed this at $25 because I collect Tiana pins. If you haven't realized by now, check out our other videos. So I got that. And then that's it for this Friday, or for,
That Friday night.
yes, for my collection.
Alright, so again, I got the same, same Marcy Mouse on Friday night. The guide map. And then, I guess, start with the ones I bought off of the boards. And these were, it was $5. And this is actually from Disney Cruise Line pin, but, it's a hibiscus flower, which I like.
Yeah.
And he's,
Him
it's
and
just
his-
tropical.
his
And he
feet.
has no shoes on. He's barefoot.
Yes. I still find it so weird.
And it is a limited edition.
Of 500. Stitch's High Sea Adventure is what the backing says.
Yeah, but it is from the cruise line. Right?
Yeah,
Because-
Disney Cruise Line logo on the pin.
So yeah, I mean, I'm not gonna collect cruise line pins because I don't. We've
But
never
you
been
can't tell.
on. No,
It doesn't say Cruise Line.
it's not like there's a ship in the background. And then the next one I got off of her boards, pre-boards, was Disneyland's Jungle Cruise with Donald in the boat, and I really like this. It's a lot bigger than I thought it was going to be, and it's like a pin on pin. So that will go on my Adventureland board, and it's a 2-backer
The two posts.
post. I don't know if that says anything.
No, just 2011.
But it's a big, I mean, it's a nice size, has some weight to it, right?
Mm-hmm. It's a big pin.
And then the pin that I bought during the actual live sale was a 2020. And it's Epcot fireworks in the background with Mickey. From Walt Disney World. I wouldn't normally, obviously, because of that, and it is pin on pin, but I normally wouldn't buy this, but because we are going in
Yeah.
2020, that was one of the reasons.
I know.
And for $5, you
Yeah,
can't. I
'cause
mean,
at the
we
park-
wouldn't be able to get that in the park for that. So.
Yeah, for that price. I tried to get this, but I wasn't quick enough.
There was another one I think she had it. Now I've seen it on other ones, but
There's a few because I
is it
realized.
the Mickey and
Mickey-
Minnie with the castle?
Yeah.
I want that one.
Yeah, I do too. Because they're different, the different parks. And I think the Russell pin is Animal Kingdom. So I wouldn't mind that. Because I do have, but mainly Carl and the balloons I collect.
So my next one was a win. I didn't even open
She
this.
won, they play games during the live
This
sale.
was from the raffle. So
Oh,
you get a raffle ticket if you pay on time, which is by Sunday at midnight.
And
and
mine
then-
wasn't paid.
Yeah. And she pulls numbers on top of the hour. And
Oh wait, I take that back. I didn't do the last one, so I didn't have a raffle ticket this round.
for this one.
Yeah.
So she pulled my thing, so I got pick number 8, and I guess I'll have to take it. I like the bag though, because that's my flowers. I
Do
can't
you know who that is?
It's from Star Wars, you told me. Is it
Yeah.
Princess Leia?
Yeah. So it's a Tsum Tsum version of Princess Leia, which is cool because like she died not recently, but I always do that. Like I collect pops, so when the actor dies, I buy them.
Oh, I should have started with my buttons.
So there's Leia.
So we got these buttons because we commented,
Mhm.
right?
Yes.
So again, I also got Christopher Robin.
That was you wanted.
Yeah, I want that. And then the Lunar New Year. You didn't get this one, did you?
No.
Annual pass holder pin. Did you get this?
No, that goes with that.
Oh. I don't know what that is.
It's like, I think Chinese New Year.
Oh, well, this was from 2019.
Yeah.
guess
I
it was
believe so. Isn't the
Year of the
Lunar-
Pig?
Yeah, that was last year.
Yeah, it says Year of the Pig. Okay, so I got that, and then I got a piece of candy. And then I won one of her games. If she plays the Immortal song, you put Friday Night Adventure is Friday Night Live, and so many comments she picks, and you get this pin. It says Adventure is Friday Night Live with the Pals.
Have you won that before?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so that's your second
That's
one.
my second pin. And then now she's also selling these she always has her nails done, and so she's selling color straight nails, and I bought it. Husband doesn't know that, but I bought some. So she sent me a message and told me she was going to send me some samples since I did purchase. I just bought one set, but so she gave me a couple.
Samples, so you can just have one.
Well, no, because like you know how
yeah.
you just do one finger,
accent
and
nail.
I actually was going to try it on this, but I have to take this nail polish off.
I don't
First.
paint my nails anymore.
So we'll see. The only thing I'm worried about, I mean, they say it's like real nail polish, so I guess it comes off with nail polish remover.
I don't know.
All right.
So do you want to go into this past Fridays?
Yeah, we'll stick with.
Okay, so my bag's bigger than last Friday. So again, she threw in some candy, and I'm just gonna dump this because that's fun. All right. So again, here's her little card. She always includes.
Oh yeah, I forgot to show my card.
So this one was a little different. I went a little more crazy. So, the Erin that we were talking about earlier, she had some buttons, and with the new. You want to do yours at the same time?
No, but I don't think that was somebody else.
Oh, I thought it was Erin. Okay, whatever.
I think it was somebody else.
So someone she had on her helping out was selling the buttons. So I got a pack of 3 of Baby Yoda. These are so cute. So when we go to Galaxy's Edge, this one won't stay up. So I can show you. The cute Baby Yoda pins.
They were going crazy.
Yes. So you have the one where let me take them out. You have the one where he's eating the frog. His little snack. Here's the one with the frog. Then with his cup of tea. Or whatever that is. And then him in his little car seat. No. I don't know the name for it, but the thing that carries them around. So I got those. I think
I got the same one.
yeah. And then for the pins, now I don't remember pricing, and my apologies on that, but I did pick up Scar and the Hyenas. Now these, she does price
I
them
think-
less than retail.
Yeah, I was gonna say, weren't most of them like those were the $5 hours?
Yeah. I only bought one $5. Oh no, I bought two. So then I got this one. Though, I wonder if it's glow in the dark. It kind of looks like it.
Yeah, the color.
I'm not too fond on the color on that, but I wonder if it glows in the dark. And he's holding a match.
Did you just open this for the first time? Is that what?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. This is the one that you hadn't opened.
I had cut it open, but I didn't like pull it apart and look at it.
Isn't there one you didn't even?
Yeah.
Okay, okay.
And then this one, it says $8, but I don't think I paid $8 for it. And why did I get this? I don't think this
Because you just start going crazy is what you do.
Oh my goodness! Did I really buy? I thought it was Hook. It's supposed to be Hook. Should I message her? So she sent me Jafar, but I wouldn't have. It was supposed to be Hook. Well, this is from Halloween 2019.
The live.
They would have never said sold Jafar. It is limited edition of 5,500, and it is a hinge pin, so it has the stained glass feature with his shadow, and then it says all-powerful genie. I mean, I do collect Aladdin pins, but I don't like Jafar. He's scary.
Well, wait. So she always sends pictures when she DMs you, but it doesn't look. Her messages.
That's gonna take a bit.
What's your screenshot?
Oh no, it's in there, but
you would have thought it. Still could have thought it was
a Hook. Yeah. Well, now I have a Jafar pin. That's okay. Let me just see. Yeah, because she doesn't tell you. Like, some sellers will tell you in detail what pins you bought and then the price next to it and send you a picture. She didn't do that. So, yeah, I really thought I had Hook. So maybe I'll message her. But then she sent me, I don't know. Oh well. If you have Hook, let me know. I wanted the Hook. So I got that. And then she had some pins that were already released that I've been eyeing for a really long time, and I just never jumped on it, and now I just I decided to. So
I think some of them were marked down, weren't they?
I don't know. Like I said, I don't remember pricing. I'm really bad at that. I should write it. I do write it down when I'm buying. All this moves. So the Fairy Tale collection, there was a pin event for it, and I like this pin from the start, but I never ordered it, and then finally she had it, so I bought it. I think this one was $25. It retailed for $17.99, but it's a limited edition, and it's Elliot. I really like Elliot. This is limited edition of 750, so that's nice to have.
Yeah, what's the moves?
So his little, when he's playing tic-tac-toe, let me put it on the other board. So the little pencil, am I moving the whole thing? Sorry guys. I'm really bad at this. So now it's not moving. Oh, there it goes. So this is hard to show, but right here, the little pencil moves of him doing the tic-tac-toe on his stomach. But I love the glitter detail. I love the purple and the green and the pink together.
Yeah, I do too. I like this color.
So then the next thing I got from my
the glitter.
Yeah, from my Tiana collection. Although the backer card's all bent up out of shape. But I got the, as she called it, the Naked Frogs. So it is a hinge pin with a flap, and then you have Naveen and Tiana on the other side there. which I like that feature. You can display it either way. You don't. It's a once upon a time collection. Now I don't know if it flips so easily because the hinge is loose, or like if they're all that way. But this is limited edition of 2000. So you have the frogs. I feel like it keeps moving. Yeah. It's doing what it wants to do here. It just keeps, every time I move it, it flips back and forth. But this is a cool pin. It's like 2 for the price of 1. So this will go good with my Tiana collection. And then this one, it says from 2018. So this is an older pin. And then my favorite pin that I got, super excited about, is the Disney Studio Store Hollywood 30th, Little Mermaid 30th anniversary release. And I was at work when these released, and I didn't get to check out in time. Remember that on that Friday? I was like, man, I missed it. But this is awesome. Limited edition 400. There's the back. It has the stained glass feature, and it has King Triton. So now I need some others in this. This was a little more. This was $35. But I needed it.
Like you need everything.
And it has the 30 and it has like the pin on pin. Oh, I just love it. It looks like the ocean. It's the stained glass. Isn't it cool?
Yeah.
Yes. So this will fit nicely into my expanding Little Mermaid collection. And then I won, so my raffle ticket from the past sale, because I paid on time, was called. So I picked number 29. Actually, Mike has better luck than I do with things like this. So I told him to pick a number. He picked 29. And it came with a Dapper Day Fall 2018 pin. And a Soarin' pin, which I thought was cool because Gwen's one of her favorite rides is Soarin'. And it's Mickey. Did you have this? And then because I bought over 5 pins, when you buy 5 pins, she has this thing where you can you write lucky 5 and she throws in this little scratch off.
That's not every time now. It was just a special.
Oops. So I can scratch this off and see if I'm a winner. Which I don't have a pen.
Where's the scissors?
Will it scratch it through? Alright,
Do
well,
it gently.
while I do this, you
start going on mine.
yeah. So this pin's this
Oh my
video
God.
is gonna take We'll be here all night.
We might have to do another one.
Go get your dinner and come back. Breakfast or
Dinner.
lunch.
Well, we have to get to work tomorrow. Okay, so where should I start?
Make a mess.
So I got the same pin set that she got. So you already saw those. And then before that she had one that came up that was...
Yeah, I missed it.
Yeah, one
I was so
she wasn't
upset.
quick enough. I beat her.
I know.
This one's a different finish. It's like a matte dull finish. It feels nice. And then you also got a sticker with it.
This is difficult to scratch.
Yeah. And then my next thing I got was
I like the sticker.
for $5 hollers I got the I'll Be Your Mickey and I'll Be Your Minnie pins. Go with our Mickey and Minnie collection. Which I guess I'll keep them with my Mickey and Minnie collections instead of putting that with my Minnie and...
Yeah.
And then the only other thing I got was with the buttons. These were only $2, so I just picked up a Stitch and
I know, she started selling buttons and then she started sold. So, like, why are you buying buttons? What are you going to do with them?
A Rapunzel.
How do you display
Well, they were
buttons?
just, I don't know.
You're going to wear them?
And then I won, oh, where's my scratcher? Right in here. So I got a scratcher too, Lucky Five for Lucky Five. But I won her one game that's called, if she says on Planet, you have to be the 4th comment to say Rising Moons, and you get the commemorative Galaxy's Edge map. And I had won this before, so now I actually have 2 maps. But it's really neat though.
Yeah, it's
How
shiny.
It's like, almost like 3D-ish looking. So,
let me see that.
So, yeah, that's one game I won. And then, she didn't, my raffle number didn't get picked this time, but then she played this other game where she says a word and you have to put in something, and then she has this game that she goes through the comments, and if it pop the pirate or something.
Pop the pirate.
You win, so I got that. So, in this little bag, I got a slap bracelet.
That's terrible.
And some washi tape, which is Winnie and
Tsum Tsum.
Eeyore.
Yeah, Winnie the
Piglet washi tape. And then this Dumbo.
That's cute.
Little keychain.
I lost a pin back.
I think they fell on the floor.
Okay.
And I think that's all I got. And then that's her cardigan. And so I got my little lucky thing. What'd you get?
I don't know. I can't scratch it. I threw it over here.
Mine, I got a
This is
gift
difficult.
bag. Let me try with mine. No, I just did mine with
Does
mine.
this mean I didn't win? Yeah, I got a smiley face, which means I didn't win.
How do you know?
That's what she said on the video.
I don't remember that.
Yeah, someone asked. And they were like, is it easy to tell if you won or not? She's like, yeah, if it's not a winner, there'll be a smiley face. And that's what mine is. But that's okay. You always seem to win these games.
Yeah, but when they involve something like
A decent prize.
money or something,
Yeah.
I don't win.
Okay.
Alright, so that's all I got.
Yes. And I have too much going on over here. This is still my favorite pin, I think. Okay. So the next, I ordered these off eBay. So if you watched our videos for some time, you'll know that I like jumbo pins. And that I recently obtained a jasmine pin from a live sale that I loved. And I decided I needed to get the others that I got. And I found a good deal. So, of course, me buying pins, I jumped on it. So, first one here, Tiana. And then I got Ariel. And I love them so much. Like these, I could just stare at them all day. I have a problem.
Oh my god, yes you do.
But I love them. And then I want Belle. Belle's the last one that I want. There's a few other in the collection, but I just love these pins so much.
Where'd you get these?
eBay. The seller had them buy one, got one 50% off. So, I mean, they were a little pricey, but I paid like $45 a piece. And they're limited edition 300. I love these pins. These are my favorite series I think I own. It's just the fact that their castle is in the background. So this is the Tiana Acme pin. The color, the Golden Magic series. So I'm obsessed with these. Like I said, I needed to get all of them. Not all of them. The princesses I like. They're really expensive. I found them for a good deal. So that's Tiana.
And you said eBay.
Yeah, I bought these off eBay.
Is that like a stained glass?
I just really like them. No, I just like that the castle's in them. They each have their own castle. And these are limited edition 300. They barely fit on our little display thing here. So these are my favorite collection so far. I say that about a lot of things.
Yes, you do. Can I see the Tiana one?
Yeah. Watch the backies on them. So I love these.
I love the straws.
Yeah, see, like I just have a collection now of all these pins. That it's so bad I need to go buy some pin boards.
No, you need to go to
Pin Anonymous.
Yes, you do. You need help. And fast. Or we won't be going to Disney because you won't have any money.
I will. No.
Yeah, you keep saying that.
It will be fine. You'll see. Alright, so that was off of eBay seller just trading pins for you. I got those. So that's exciting to go in my collection. And then, what else do you have?
I just have from Jenny's.
Okay, well let me show this. So this was another eBay purchase that I have. I bought this one for Mike. He has a WALL-E collection. It's his favorite movie, and this was the 10-year anniversary from 2018. So it is about 2 years old. It retailed for $16.99, so before the price went up, and it is limited edition of 2000. And he really likes. I did show him.
So it's pin on pin.
Yeah, pin on pin feature. And I don't know if I remember this scene. I guess they're in his little house, Wally's house, because he has a collection too. Wally collects a lot of things, just like me. Going back to my pin.
Girl that has everything.
Alright, so then we'll go into, I just sent us some mail if you saw that, huh? No. So we have, and it is nice because she does decorate with stickers. I have Anna Nelson, she has Mickey.
Yeah.
Okay, so I have to cut mine open. I saved this to be surprised, although I did buy it.
I was going to say,
what's in it.
oh no, you might have bought another pin by mistake.
Yeah, I do forget what I buy, and then I'm like, oh, I got this.
Well, while you're opening, I'll just show mine, sister. I don't have half what you have. So this is Jenny, which is Marcy's sister, and she does once a month Saturday night live sale. And again, you get a park map. And what game did she play? Oh, it's tough to be a pug.
Oh, yeah,
Her husband comes out and brings her a drink, and you have to type in it's tough to be a pug. And I don't know, hers is on Facebook, and I just have trouble either with my internet. I don't know. I don't think it's the internet, but
I think it's just because it's Facebook, and there's so many people
in her thing.
Yeah.
And so you know, of course, you think you're first, and I mean, we've been watching her since the summer, and I've never won, and
I really like these.
And I got yeah, these were probably one of the better ones. They're little
I'm jealous.
Baymax
Post-it
notes.
And I might need those.
And
Did they categorize all your pins?
Yeah. So since I won something and I hadn't bought anything yet, she had some Christmas clearance, and so I got this Porg for Brendan.
I don't remember how much the prices were.
This was $4.
Yeah, because she was doing $3.
Well, the $3 she had them on a board.
Oh yeah,
pre-sale.
after the fact, yeah.
Oh no, yeah, no, but she did have pre-boards with some of the stuff.
Okay.
There were 3. Yeah, she was running way behind schedule. So then at the very last, she did $5 hollers, and this was I think one of the this pin she showed. Because she was showing all the other princesses. So I knew, I was hoping that Rapunzel would come up. Tangle. The castle one. Because I have
She
Moana
started
and
a
I
new
have
collection.
yeah, Cinderella. So it was because they're on California time, so it was late. It was like 2 o'clock.
Yeah.
Wasn't it like 2 o'clock in the morning?
So the trick with Facebook, you have to like put an emoji so it goes through. And I turned my emoji to like the sleeping one because it was like 1 a.m.
Is she really like that?
Yeah.
So
So I'm
that,
like sleep. You thought I was sleep buying pins.
yeah. Yeah, because she was just like, sold, 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 sold. I was like, oh my gosh. And then Marcy was selling, she had some blind bags. I believe these are Tokyo.
The blue ones?
Yeah, I can't remember.
Was it $5?
I can't remember if it was $5 or $3.
Well, the $3 were Hidden Mickeys, $5 were Tokyo, and then the $8 were Fantasy.
But that was on hers. Was
I
it
know,
the
but
same
it would
one,
be
though?
the same color.
Alright, well let's open it up. And actually, it
You
is
need
actually,
scissors?
it's going to be hard.
Is it big?
Yeah, but it feels like the backing card is.
Oh, well, that's cool if she included the backing card in it.
Yeah, it is Tokyo.
So this looks
What is
tiny.
that? Well, I was feeling it. I was like, it felt
Let
tiny.
me see.
I can't.
It's either Chip or Dale. I don't know who. Well, it's just Tokyo Disney. It just doesn't have a color. I don't know who. It's just a gold finish. I don't need no magnifying glass for this one. It's super, super tiny crest. But I can't, it doesn't have a color on the nose. So how do you know who it is? So it's one of the chipmunks. But that is a cute little pin. I mean, I wish it was bigger for the, you know.
Right.
But it is nice looking. There's
Okay, so I'm done.
okay, and then I have this whole big bag here of all these awesome pins. Oops. So, I just dumped
Oh my
it.
god.
Let me move all the other pins.
Oh, you got the same.
Yeah, I know. I said that. So, I got this.
Oh yeah, I want to see what that.
Like, so she said, oh, put your traders in it and take it to the park. Sure, why not? Let me buy it.
Yeah, for what, $8, $10?
I thought it would be a little softer than it is, but it is still cute. I do have a collection of Oofoofies, so this isn't something new for me, but this is new that it's a bag. It's a little pouch, so it's not, can you fit, oh look, it fits the whole Tiana pin right in there.
Wow.
Not that
I was going to say, you got to trade that.
Never. But yeah, so I figured just a cute little thing. Keep the pins safe in there. And then she did include the Disneyland map. And then I got some stickers, which Daisy giving Minnie a massage.
I didn't get any stickers.
And then this is a cute Baby Donald with Minnie's bow.
Which usually she does. Doesn't she?
I don't know, but I did buy a lot. Oh,
Yeah,
look, here's
maybe.
another. And here's a cute Mickey and Minnie. I like this one. That's cute. So, I bought... Where do we start?
Oh my god, Lauren.
I know. It's...
You do have...
So,
These
these are on the $3 board. So, I wanted to get these because we have a small Nightmare Before Christmas collection. So when I saw these for $3, I was like, hey, give me
so you bought
all
some of
them.
these after the
Yeah,
fact.
after on the $3 board. Just because she ran out of time. So
I
I'm
wish I
just,
would have gotten that one.
I know. Well, let me talk about this. Well, wait, let me just
Finish with one.
I thought I had more.
Oh no,
Yeah.
here we go.
I do. I'm just taking them off the backer cards to put them on. And I don't know if there's one more.
There's only 3.
Okay, yes. So I'm missing the Jack one, so we'll just have to find that somewhere. But I got the Haunted Mansion version of Nightmare Before Christmas of Oogie Boogie, the 3 kids, Shock,
Lock, Shock, and Barrel.
yeah, and then Sally with the snake. I really like these just because they're a mashup of the Haunted Mansion pictures with the Halloween characters. Because I guess is that what they...
Well, they do the
Disneyland?
overlay.
Yeah, Disneyland.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, so I really like those, and I'm happy with this. So now I have to find Jack. So we have those. And then I bought this Aladdin one here. Now, I thought this would be bigger than it is. So I'm glad I kind of waited. So it's weird. It has 2 backer posts, but it's a tiny pin.
Yeah, this one.
Like, why so tiny for 2 backers? So I got this one.
Oh, but it has Jafar in it.
I know, but it also has Abu, Aladdin, and Genie. But that's why I bought it, because it has all the characters. And I liked it. It reminded me of like a window. You know?
Mm-hmm.
And it has the palace background in the back. Or the palace in the background with the genie lamp. So I got that one for my Jasmine board. And then I got... what else did I get here? I kind of just have them all spread out. So, like, Gwen got the Tangled one. I got Pocahontas. Now, these, with the castle thing, they have just meant, I guess it's Cinderella's castle in the background, or is it Sleeping Beauty's? I don't know.
Well, if it's bigger.
I got the Tiana one. And then I think I have, I have Jasmine already, so then I got the Ariel one.
Of course. I got one of them.
Yeah, we can. So I got the princesses that I like. Even though, is Pocahontas a princess?
Yeah.
Chief's daughter's a princess?
Because I was into Indian princesses.
So I got those. That's fun. And then the next thing I like this collection of, but I heard these are super fragile and they can break. I forget how much these were.
What was it? What is
The
it?
hearts and like the clasp here. So I got Beauty and the Beast set because I really like the pink and I really like how Belle looks in this. And it has the roses in the background. And then I got the Up one. So this matches it. Yeah. So I got those 2 from this collection. And then to stay with the Up, I picked up the bottle caps. I might trade Ellie and keep Carl because I don't like Ellie as a kid. I think she just looks...
Yeah.
So I'll probably trade this one. I have enough pins that I'm being picky with ones I collect. If that's...
To me, I only buy pins that I really, really like.
Yeah,
I would
do.
say.
So but it comes as a 2-pack. And then I love this pin. So,
Stained glass.
Yes, the rose. Now the Paris one looks pretty. I may have to get that. But for now, the US one will do. And I don't even have a Beauty and the Beast collection. What am I doing?
Whoa.
So I got that. And then I got, to go with my Ariel, I'm kind of all over the place here. I picked up this 2-pack. I feel like these are good deals. When you can get this for $5 and it has 2 pins.
Yeah, you can't beat it.
Yeah. Even though I don't like how they have grumpy faces. Like Ursula looks like she's about to punch somebody, and Ariel's like,
Oh, that wouldn't be.
look, see?
I know, but that wouldn't be for her. Ursula. She's mean.
Yeah, I like her. Anyways, then I got this. I love this one. Now, it's a different art style, but I just love that it's the Pixar ball with the characters. You have Remy, Eve, aliens, I guess Squirt. What's his name? Squirt? Crush and Squirt? Yeah. And then Nemo. The World of Pixar Disney Parks. So I got that one, and then with going along with that theme, Gwen also has this one. I picked up the 2020 Sorcerer Mickey. He's in front of Epcot. Like we talked about earlier, I'll probably end up getting the other ones in the collection because we are going in 2020. And then they had this one. It's retail for $15.99.
I wish I would have got it.
Limited release, $5. I got the Figment Epcot Forever. I really like this. I might just keep it because it's cool. The Epcot, I like the colors. Reminds me of the Flower and Garden Festival. Like the colors they did with it. But I guess that's retro Epcot. Let's see. Yeah, so it just says limited release, no edition size, but I really like that pin.
Yeah, that went fast.
Yeah. And then I've got, for my Eeyore collection, I picked up these two. These are so cute. I love those two. I think Eeyore's really cute. And then for Richie, I don't even know if he's gonna like this, but I figured he could trade it if not. Venom. He had a thing for Venom before Christmas. So oh no, this was $3. This was on the $3 board. So I figured why not. So I picked that up for Richie. And then the last things that I got, right? That's everything.
I don't remember you getting them.
I do. These are in the beginning. So we'll open these in this video.
So they were
$10.
pre-boards? Because
In the beginning of our video.
I don't remember hearing you buy them.
Yeah. So I got the Good vs.
Oh, yes,
Evil.
I do remember. Here,
And then
see
I
that,
got the
but
new
not-
Fantasyland. Yeah, she only had 2 boxes, and I was the first one to get it. I was happy about it. I like this. So $10. This one retails for $15.99, and this one retails for $29.99.
Yeah, I usually get my purses. Did she have purses?
So-
She didn't have purses
No,
this week.
she didn't. So we're gonna open this, see who we got. I'll go. So let me show these first.
Do you have any of these?
I don't think so. Let me look. No, I don't. So I'm looking for Madeline and Merlin from Sorcerer's Stone for Mike. I would want Ursula or Scar. Oogie Boogie and Jack would be cool, and Corella and the Dalmatians would be cool.
Oh my God. Put this on with me.
It's open, so be careful. Okay, so I'm going to pull the first one out, and oh, I got one I wanted. So I got Corella. That's another one. How awesome is this?
That Madam Mim?
Yeah. So Sorcerer's Stone, Madam Mim. Next one, so you get 5. Oh, this is cool. So I'm not mad about this. It's
Close in the dark.
I don't know about that.
Oh,
But
I just saw it.
Maleficent as the dragon. Oh, snap!
Jack.
Like, wow, what are the chances? Now I'm probably jinxing myself. Because these are ones I said I wanted, besides Maleficent, but I'm not upset about it. So, last one. Who's it gonna be? No way. No way. I got Ursula. This is like the best mystery bag ever. Oh my gosh. What are the odds? Out of 16 pins, I got all but one I wanted. Wow. That was good. Alright, now let's open this one. So
what's on there?
A lot. So you can collect 10. There's Belle in blue dress, her father, Belle in her ball gown, Lumiere, Beast, LeFou, the girl singing in Gaston's pub or whatever, Gaston, and then Mrs. Pot and Chips and Cogsworth.
So they're all
with the
Bells.
Yeah.
Oh, I thought Fantasyland meant different stuff from Fantasyland.
I know. So these are in the blind bags. I'll give you one. I have one. I would like Belle in blue dress, or that's pretty much it. I wouldn't be mad about them, but I just did it myself. So my first one, oh, this one's cute. So I got Mrs. Potts and Chip. Oh, that's cute too. So I like both of these.
So for somebody who didn't want to have a Belle collection, it was really
Yeah, right? So they're the two. And I kind of like how they look like snow globes. Kinda, not really,
Yeah.
but they do to me. I have a collection of snow globes.
What do you not collect?
Okay, so that's it for that one. And then the last, I saved my favorite for the best for last. So if you're hanging around to this long, thank you. And please like and subscribe for pin videos. Support our channel because get ready for this excitement. This just released and I had to have it. I got the Pixar character cameo pin. Limited edition of 1500. Look at this beauty. Everyone's laughing at me. But it's Scully, a 2-pin backer. And with Boo holding Nemo with the Pixar bar.
Where did I see that?
And Jessie. It just released. Like, I love this pin.
I feel like I just saw that
This
somewhere.
is a quarterly
Oh,
release. Yes, that's where I got it from. This is a quarterly release. So I will be picking up the other 3 in the collection.
You got that quick then.
Yes. So I got this off of Kenny from Facebook. Yeah, really good shipping. Packaged well. I'm
Wow.
so happy. I
like
love
the-
the
yeah, that
this is just awesome. So I have a problem. We've established this. So keep watching for more of my
No, I'm sending her away.
Then there's gonna be no more videos.
I'm sending her away for help.
Well, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Let us know what your favorite was if you remember all of them. Because we got quite a few.
I guess that's all for...
And then we'll have, if you keep an eye out, maybe we'll do a collection haul. Because we have many pin boards. And you guys haven't seen
just
half
all
of them.
your collection too.
Yeah. Alright, well thanks for sticking around and watching this super long video. Bye guys.
Bye.